Today I show you what's the best charger from IKEA and why I bought two. So the best charger from IKEA is this Sjoss double charger. The Sjoss double charger, 2 USB-C, power delivery 45 watts. Don't buy the single charger. Don't buy the charger with one port from IKEA. I will explain in a minute why. So this is the charger I already have, and these are the cables, really nice flexible cables. These cables can do 100 watts, so that's pretty good. And I have one charger with double ports. I have another charger with one port, the Sjoss 30 watts, and I sent an email to IKEA and they replaced it. It was making a buzzing noise. And it's funny because the replacement also makes the same noise, so I really gave up. I'm just not using that one in a quiet environment. It seems to be making the noise only when it's not used, so I don't use it next to the bed. This one is noise free. There is no noise. Charging, no charging, there is never any noise. And it has so many options, so many charging modes. But the price is double, kind of almost. So this one is about 14 euro, almost 15 euro, and the single port one is 8 euro. So it's almost double the price. It's also more heavy, so yeah. But this I prefer it because it's 2 ports. What's this? With 2 ports I can charge 2 devices at the same time and in different areas. Okay, so 45 watts. It's the same as before. I almost couldn't find it. Eventually, one of the people working there, I asked them if they have it. They said no, but then he found it somewhere in a below shelf somewhere. But thanks to IKEA guy for finding my Sjoss, my charger. They had a secret stash of this charger somewhere below on a shelf, or I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. I don't remember if there was any seal. I think there is no seal on these things. Was it? I have another one. This has a seal. So I don't know why these ones don't have seal on them. Was there any seal on this one? Not sure. Looks like it was opened, but I opened it now, so it's probably me. There was never any seal on this one. That's interesting. So let's see. In the box, I'm trying to see if this was used. Seems to be some dust there. Particle of something, maybe it's just paper from the packing. Don't know what's that. Maybe it's plastic. Okay. It doesn't have scratches like it was inserted. See, the one I used, you can tell it was used, not this one. So maybe it's okay. So this is the charger, and this is the information on the side. This paperwork, and it's interesting. They always have these things. I think there is never a seal on these. So that's it. These are useful so you know which charger it is. Maybe you want to put a dot on it, for example. I could use I don't know where to put it actually. I could use this blue one. So it sits like that. I will put it below, because normally it's gonna sit like this and you don't see it. This bubble is under. You can also remove it. and now it's like that. I could put one here also. And the previous one. Just so. I didn't try to arrange them perfectly, but yeah. All I want to do is the paperwork. I saw it before. I have an unboxing video. All I want to do is I want to make sure that they don't make any noise while they're sitting idle. So let's try. This thing is powered on. I will listen to it. Before I listen to it, you listen to it. Touching. And the right side. Touching. And I listen. Yeah, it's super quiet. There's no noise. So let's try. One cable. Two cables. They're both working. Okay, so I'll try my phone. I'll try my iPhone here and still works. And let's hear the noise. Yep, no noise. So this one with the double port is the double port. It's really good. So 14 minutes to 80%. That's it. This is how you plug in the cables, and you can keep the cables plugged in like that. It will gonna go on the wall, and actually on the wall it sits like this. That's how it sits, like on the wall. And you see this information about 45 watts power delivery. That's it there. So I like this one so much that I got two. I really recommend that you don't get the single port one because it has problems with buzzing noises and who knows what other problems it might have. I really believe that they will recall the single port one eventually or make an update, or I don't know. I did one replacement for the single port and it was the same, so I didn't even bother to send them another message. But as you see, the color difference, I think it looks a bit different on the camera, but it's the same. That's it. Thanks for watching. It's really under 45 watts power delivery USB-C charger, under 15 euro. It's 14.99, I guess. So it's pretty good. Thanks for watching.